Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I'm art antique restorer and artist too. Today I'm just to start to do one of my motifs, what you see on the right side. This is actually this area, what I just put it in a way I like, and I will start to work. First the sketch, basic sketch on the canvas, and then later we will see step by step, adding the colors, how it goes. It is oil, what I'm doing, and let's start first to mark properly in way I think this object, the pumpkins, the apple, and one the green bottle, what is beautiful green for the background, and on the top we have one of my previous works, what will be actually background for the art too. As mean, first we are going working with I do that with a pencil, always marking in the right way, actually coming close to what I want to do. Good. Each of us, we do that in slightly different way, but one thing what we have together in common as just a love for what we're doing, and small and big challenges coming in front of us. First, to mark real perspective and watching constantly what we have there, actually what I put together as a nice composition. We have some kind of the white material, what is like a tablecloth. Nice for me as actually these areas and the shadows shed coming all around, what actually will be a nice challenge later. Right, they are the colors green, ochre, cadmium red, yellow, and red apple, and a special green of the bottle, and the background too I think will be nice composition. Right. Good. All what I do now will help me a lot when I will start with adding the colors. It's like introducing myself to the motif I do. I work on this. Okay? this will be my introduction for the new work. It is actually autumn, as you see the pumpkins and the apple, and the bottle on the back can be for the olive oil. Altogether, this is actually my inspiration. It is the autumn time. Next video I will start to paint. Will take a little bit longer, but I will try to introduce my art in a couple of videos until I'm finished. It's the oil on a canvas. Thank you for following me. All the best in your projects.